Is there such a thing called the right approach as far as rehabilitation is concerned, Bhavani?
I think Ambika has answered that question. But can I just say, we are dealing with a bill right now which is before court. But the first thing when you say what's the right approach is to withdraw that bill. That would be the first approach, because I think we all agree it's a problematic bill and a process that that's extremely questionable. The other one is, why is it that we keep looking to the military in terms of the end all for all our answers? The militarization in this is problematic. The vague definitions are problematic. The fact that the minister has such broad powers is problematic. But we also haven't talked about one dimension. That is a secrecy clause.
Right.
There is a secrecy clause here that is contrary to the right to information provision now, which is in the Constitution. So a secrecy clause could also lead to more abuse. People won't be able to speak about it. People won't be able to ask about it because there is a secrecy clause. There's a declaration members would have to sign on to. So there are very specific provisions that are problematic. So we draw the bill. If the government is genuine in rehabilitation, then have the conversation, what is rehabilitation, what is best suited for Sri Lanka, what are the best practices that one can look to. The problems in our system, I think, are documented, are discussed. This is not a new issue. So why do we keep going back to repeating the same mistakes we keep repeating? There is no genuine interest in this government or successive governments to really get their house in order. So we keep going back to why then is the international community looking to us saying, get your house in order. We keep repeating the same mistakes. So in terms of rehabilitation, start with withdrawing the bill, but then have this conversation, what does it mean? Why are you using the same problematic processes and practices that have been there for so many years that haven't been addressed? Why is it that we have to go back to this punitive practice, you know, the criminalization, the fact that put them in prison, that's going to solve the problem. That's not going to solve the problem. So it's a conversation that society also has to have. I think we also make, and as a lawyer I'll say this, we look to the laws to address problems that society needs to address. Society needs to confront. It's a bigger question than trying to bring things through a law and set up and establish a structure.